Ecalia bumps it from the back line. Cepada. Soreño. Oh, with contributions off the bench. Let's add up. 8-1 start for DLSU. Let's see if UE can slowly climb back here. Bangayan takes a step back. Soreño already has 2 points in the set.
Make that 3 tall players in his starting unit.
Lady Spikers coming out with a vengeance here in this third set. Van Bangayan neutralized at the net. Bump set. Soreño na naman. How about Jean Soreño? 4 points. Growing up watching the UAAP. Reyes will play setter. Cepada. Soreño cross court.
Wow, James Soreño getting so busy in set number 3, scoring 6 points already.
They've been targeting Santos. Soreño, soft touch. Oh my goodness, Soreño, 7 points.
Only in this set.
In the set alone. Yeah. UE has seen enough of baby Jean Soreño. Another sharp serve by Provido. KC Balingit. Canino with some power. Free ball, Lasal. Nicole Reyes going to Soreño once again for set point.
She wants to reach the double-digit mark in scoring in a single set. 8 points.
Saved. Reyes looking to put an end. Who else with conviction?
Sayang di daw umabot, but that's 9 big points for baby James Soreño in set number 3.
Soreño ending it. She started it, might as well her finishing it. 2 sets to 1 lead. Back to Lasal. From the middle, Soreño. Good first ball. Soreño bringing in the heat once again.
This time from the middle. Kalia was...
Service ace for Soreño.